How to pair Roku Remote 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to pair Roku Remote 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what we need to do is, you can see in here. So the first thing you need to do is to turn your Roku streaming device on and also insert batteries to your Roku Remote right here. So once you have done that, you can see the inside the battery compartment, this status light right here. That just means that is your pairing button. So the next thing is, on your Roku screen, you should see a notification saying pairing remote, and then it will automatically pair the two devices. So once you have paired that, you can try pairing on your device instead, wherein you can go to the home screen, settings, remotes, and devices. You can install the Roku app on your phone and use this to connect the two devices. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to pair Roku Remote 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!